Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I am going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So this tutorial is applicable for Android and iPhone. First, you have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then type Telegram web, okay? And then you have to click the very first link that you can see here, because actually you cannot see this feature on your Telegram application. So once you're here, what you want to do next is to log in your Telegram account. You can log in by just adding your phone number, or you can also log in through QR code. Next, once you're here, what you want to do next is to simply tap these three lines at the top left corner and then click settings. Now, under settings, you have to scroll down till you see privacy and security. That is below data and storage. Tap this one. Now you have to scroll down again till you see this disable filtering. So you need to tap this one. As you can see, if you tap this, then you can see display sensitive media and public channels on all your Telegram devices. So that's it. You just have to tap this one to disable filtering. And that's how easy it is to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.